it was too much for his father to bear, so he was going to be up here trying to answer some questions as well. But we're trying to take just a few.
Ben, you represent families that are going through these folks. Why do you think this keeps happening?
Deliberate indifference. Absolutely deliberate indifference. People question why we have to say Black Lives Matter. This is why. Because Julia and Jacob's senior son was not treated with the humanity that we often give our white brothers and sisters. And it has to stop, and it has to stop at the highest levels of our government. That really is what this is about. People at the top saying, police, we cannot allow this to happen. Prosecutors, we cannot allow this to happen. Judges, we cannot allow this to happen anymore. We cannot turn a blind eye to the deliberate indifference that was shown to George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, Joel Escobedo in Milwaukee, Rayshard Brooks, Trayvon Martin. The list goes on and on. I was just counting this year. I'm just talking about in the last few months. And now Julia's son, her only biological son, is the latest example of this deliberate indifference that America shows to black people. And so it's going to take a lot of prayer. Thank God, her and Pastor Boyd and this family is a praying family to try to not only heal him, but also to try to heal his children, his family, and heal this community.
And as the State Department of Justice is investigating this, one of the central questions is what happened in the minutes and seconds leading up to that altercation. Can you offer us a little bit of a timeline as to what the family understands occurred in those key moments?
Well, the facts have not been confirmed yet. They have given statements to the police. The police just haven't given statements to the family. And it's kind of ironic how that always happens. They want them to talk, but they won't talk. And what we are demanding is transparency. If there's dash cam video, Sarah, we want you all to get it. Because this family has already asked for answers, have gotten none. We have scheduled a call to the governor, and we want to thank the governor for assisting Attorney Lamar and Attorney Sabi and our legal team, and at least letting Julia see her baby. I mean, you're talking about just insult on top of injury. She was denied the opportunity to see her child initially, right, Pastor Boyd? And they were turned away at the hospital. So we're going to talk to him, and we're going to ask, before you keep demanding stuff from this family, why don't you demand something from these police officers that shot him at least 7 times in the back? What was their justification? And it's so strange. It's so crazy, Mr. Blake, that when there's video of certain people in the community, they say, oh, that's all we need to arrest somebody and charge somebody.
That's right.
But when it's them doing something nefarious to a person of color, they say, no. Don't just take the video. You got to put it in context. Don't have a rush to judgment. But didn't they rush to judgment when they shot Jacob?
Yes, sir.
Didn't they rush to judgment when they shot Trayford down in Lafayette, Louisiana?
Yes, sir.
Didn't they rush to judgment when they shot Rayshard Brooks?
Yes.
I mean, Breonna Taylor. I mean, why is it double standards? We can't have 2 justice systems in America. We keep saying this after every tragedy. We can't have a justice system for black America and one for white America. We can't have a justice system for everybody. Yes.
Does Jacob know what has been unfolding the last couple of days? And does he have a message? Does he have anything he wants to convey or say?
He does not know what's going on. When I was able to see him, and I'm grateful that that opportunity was finally open to me. said, then why are you charged? He says, because I don't want a burden on anybody. I want to be with my children. And I don't think I'm going to walk with them.
Ma'am, how is the children doing?